People relaxing on the beach suddenly noticed something strange. The seawater was pulling back rapidly. It was a clear warning sign, and sure enough, just seconds later, someone spotted a giant tsunami rushing toward the city. But what no one expected was that the massive wave was filled with tens of thousands of zombies. Where did they all come from? Months earlier, on a remote island, a vial of dangerous biochemical fluid accidentally spilled, releasing a toxic white mist. Panic spread as everyone tried to escape. The mist turned anyone it touched into a zombie within seconds. Scientists and workers sprinted toward the helicopters in a frenzy. They begged their boss to let them on board, but the boss had already decided to abandon them. Holding the research results, he put on a gas mask and took off alone in the helicopter. Desperate, some workers clung to the bottom of the aircraft. But as it rose and rocked through the air, several fell, crashing to their deaths. Seeing others still holding on, the boss opened a case, and without hesitation, dumped a red virus on them. Despite their screams, the gas transformed them into zombies mid-air. They fell like stones. The boss escaped, leaving the island overrun with the infected. At first, the ocean seemed like a natural barrier, but the hunger of the undead pushed them to start swimming. Over time, the zombies slowly crossed the sea and finally reached the city shores. Two fishermen saw the horror first. When they turned their boat to warn others, they looked back and froze. A wall of corpses was chasing them, crawling over the waves like a living tide. They tried to escape, but the rising water swallowed their boat completely. Only then did people on the beach realize what was really happening. Waves packed with zombies. The city went under in moments, but when the floodwaters pulled back, the real nightmare had just begun.